If you're wondering, is Python for everybody worth it? The short answer is yes. It's one of the best beginner Python programs on Coursera and one of the most popular choices for anyone starting a programming career. Before we dive in, if you're planning to take more than one course on Coursera, check the discount link in the description. Coursera Plus can be a much better value than paying for courses separately. Python for Everybody is offered by the University of Michigan and is included with Coursera Plus. It's a 5-course specialization designed for complete beginners, so you don't need any previous coding experience. The program has an impressive 4.8 out of 5 rating from more than 280,000 reviews, making it one of the highest-rated Python specializations on the platform. The learning path is well-structured and flexible. Most learners finish it in about 2 months by studying around 10 hours each week. Since it's self-paced, you can learn whenever it fits your schedule. Throughout the program, you'll build real programming skills while learning Python fundamentals, data structures, databases, web scraping, APIs, and hands-on projects. By the end, you'll earn a career certificate from the University of Michigan that you can add to your resume and LinkedIn profile. If your goal is to become a Python developer, this program is an excellent starting point. According to Coursera, Python developers have a median entry-level salary of over $146,000 in the United States, with nearly 20,000 job openings, making Python one of the most valuable programming skills to learn. The only downside is the cost if you purchase learning programs one at a time. Individual programs can become expensive, especially if you want to continue learning data science, AI, machine learning, or software development after this course. That's why I usually recommend Coursera Plus. Instead of paying separately, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, specializations, professional certificates, guided projects, and hands-on labs. You can also earn unlimited certificates while your subscription is active, making it a much better long-term investment. So, is Python for everybody worth it? Absolutely. It's beginner-friendly, highly rated, taught by a top university, and provides practical skills you can build a career on. If you want to check the latest Coursera Plus discount, you'll find the link in the description below.